So here we are introducing the IV40 British Vacuum Cleaner. This is a slightly larger ATEX machine with a 4 kilowatt motor. This is the only vacuum cleaner in the world that's being driven by the new Honda EGX electric engine. About half an hour run time.
So Richard, what's in the spotlight now?
Well, Dave, this is the TS60. It's a tower machine.
We do microporous bags that fit in there, and also you can have a poly bag with a balance bin attachment as well. I think we nailed it, Richard.